done a software testing course in QSpiders, Chromepet. In that I have studied about Java, manual testing, automation testing and SQL. Java has been taken by me Bharati sir. He has given an utmost care and he explains a lot about the Java from scratch level, and he used to keep a practical sessions too. In practical sessions he will expect for an output. He will give a specific task for the next day and we used to complete it and wait for the result for the next day. SQL is taken by both sirs, Nagarajan sir and Sangeet sir. Nagarajan sir has taken practical sessions and non-practical, that is theory sections. Sangeet sir also taken non-practical and practical sessions. The non-practical sessions which keeps us a query related, and we used to write lots of query and we have solved the problems regarding it. In practical sessions also we used to take the outputs and check with among our friends, and moreover sir also will check with it and clarify the answers. He will suggest one or two more answers if there is. Manual testing is taken by Chandrasekhar sir. I thank him for that because my major part is to be manual testing and with Java, so that I have take utmost effort to do manual testing. I have learned a lot about manual testing, and he used to keep seminars regarding manual testings and the testing related software, and he will give often idea about ISTQB, which is an international software testing course examination, and he will use to prepare for it also. Automation testing is taken by Chandan sir. He used he used to give a practical as well as theoretical knowledge about it. He used to live interact with the current and upcoming examples of the surroundings with us, and he used to explain it. The staffs, the HR team also will join with us to make the interviews better and clear about. They will keep practical sessions, seminar sections, then aptitude rounds, and they will keep study sessions also. And the staff members regarding QSpiders is taken utmost care to take all their effort to bring us well rich in that. I thank all of them.